Bro, your room is a mess. Why don't you clean it?
Cleaning is for crazy obsessed people like you.
But this is bad.
You being mad about a few things on the ground is bad.
What is this?
Ugh, here we go again.
You have 10 minutes to clean this room, young man.
Yeah, whatever, Mom.
Huh, it's even worse.
Mom, this is my personal decor. Just leave me alone.
This garbage will harm you one day.
Harm me? Don't be so dramatic, Mom.
I wish for all this garbage to come to life.
Mom, what is this?
Your personal decor.
No! Mom, help!
This will teach him a lesson.
Oh no, my last dollar. I'm gonna starve. Huh? Wait, what if? One lottery ticket. Huh? Go away, dumb bird. I'm rich. Yeah. Man, poverty makes people crazy. Give me your best suit. I like it. I'll take 10. This mansion is perfect. I'll take it. Sir, you should invest your money so you don't lose it all. Investing is for poor people. I'll be rich forever. This is the life. Wait, is that... Stop, you stupid bird! No! I lost everything. Huh?
We're here to collect your taxes.
No! I'm poor again.
Today you will learn how to fish.
Dad, fishing is so boring.
No, son, fishing teaches patience.
Whatever, Dad.
You have to start small.
Come on, Dad. With that tiny bait, we'll be here forever.
Just wait, this will be quick. Any second now. Patience, son. Something big is coming, I can feel it.
Come on, Dad. This is ridiculous.
Stop whining, son. You must learn patience.
No, Dad. I prefer doing things the smart way. It's ready. Watch and learn, Dad. Aha! Dad, look! I caught something. Huh?
Huh? Well, this time the fish caught the fisherman.
Oh, what are those? Shoes? Do you call those shoes? Oh, look! It's the boy with the 16th century shoes! I have an idea! Let's lock the door. Huh? Help! Oh, have you slept in the toilet? I can't take this anymore. Oh no, my precious nails! That's what you get for bullying others.
Get away from here, you wretched bunny.
Please, give me some food. You want us to give you some food? I have an idea. Let's make her suffer. Okay, we'll give you some food, but on one condition. I'll do whatever you want me to. After you finish those dishes, make sure you hand wash and sun dry all these clothes. I'm finally done. Now I can have some food. I have washed all the dirty dishes and clothes. Please, can I have some food now?
Did you really think we would give you some food?
That's for using me. Victory.
What a beautiful day.
On your right, loser.
Oh no.
Poor losers like you have no place here.
You ruined my clothes.
So what? Losers deserve it. Whatever. Shoo, don't waste my time. I have work to do.
How rude.
Another great day at work. What do we have here? Haha, so you're a low-level employee here. What a loser.
You're so rude.
And? What will you do about it? Better not leave any filth lying around.
I'll get you for this.
So, boss, where are we going to eat?
Somewhere good.
Whew, almost done.
This loser is here too.
That's it. Enough is enough. Take this!
No, you ruined my face.
So hideous. You're fired.
No, how could this happen to me?
You deserved it.
You will do as I say.
But I want to play with plants.
No, you need to study to have a good career.
No. Papa, look, my flower finally blossomed.
Stop wasting your time on flowers. Focus on your lessons.
But I want to be a florist.
So, what career do you want to pursue?
I want to be a florist.
No! With your background, you should have a good career instead.
I want to live my life my way.
Your parents have already decided for you.
Hello, miss. Would you like to learn about flowers?
Yay, I would love to. Look at what I've made.
You should participate in the floral arrangement competition.
But my parents don't want me to be a florist.
But they might change their minds if you win.
The next participant is Kitty.
I am so stressed.
My word, this is the best arrangement I've ever seen. We have a winner.
Mom, Dad, you're here.
Congratulations, you're so talented.
We are so sorry for doubting you.
It's okay. Come here and give me a hug.